Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week 2 screencast video. So, for week 2, let me get to the schedule real quick. All right, we have 2 discussion board posts for the week. One's due Tuesday, the other one on Friday. Responses are then due on Sunday. We begin our discussion about artificial intelligence, AI, for the 2 discussion boards. So I want to point out those particular discussion boards and where you can find them. If you click on the module, once again, you go right over to the week 2 module, you will see discussion board 2. Okay, and you click on the link, and the link to the article pops up, and you can read from there. Also, then, if we go back to the module, discussion board number 3, okay, and then the link to the next article. So both articles are an interesting take on AI. Look for my lecture video later in the week on that. So once again, remember modules, you would go to the week 2 module right there to pick up those discussion boards, or you can go directly to the discussion board page. You'll see discussion board 2 and 3. You can access them that way. All right. So that's what we have going for the week. If you have any questions or issues about the course or the articles, please send me an email, and then we'll be moving toward our week. I should say, we'll be moving toward in week 3 the actual writing assignment, the future of writing. So you might want to jump ahead. I've left that week open and take a quick look at that. All right, so once again, if you have any questions or issues, please send me an email. Good luck.